By the way, have you seen American Sniper?
I haven't yet.
I want to check it out.
You've already checked it out?
No,
No, you want.
I want to. I'm
I
hearing
would
some
do
good
too.
things, Jess. I'm hearing that Bradley Cooper's getting it done in that movie.
I'm hearing it too.
Yeah, we'll see.
It's one of my favorites too.
Yeah, Bradley Cooper. I don't know why.
I don't know
Guys,
about. Yeah,
guy's a
I have
total
no
loser.
clue. I mean,
I
he's
don't
a
even know
great
what you're
actor.
thinking there. All right, let's go ahead and show you what's going on. And we start with a look up across the Four Corners and Northwest Plateau. We have a freezing fog advisory for tonight. We've already got reports on 550 near Broomfield, and as you get up near Farmington, that it's very difficult as far as travel goes here, 20 to 30 feet visibility. So please be careful if you're up here. If you don't have to mess around with this stuff, don't. You know, we've been talking about it a lot. We've had a lot of freezing fog this winter, 35 degrees. In the metro area right now, winds are calm at this point. No major issues out there. 20s and 30s off to the north, 40s out to the east and down to the south, anywhere from the 20s in Roswell up to the 40s in Carlsbad. Big difference there in temperatures, no doubt. Now, as far as the overall setup goes throughout the weekend, it will be warm. In fact, let's take a look at temperatures versus average this weekend. Average of 41 in Farmington. We're going to get to 48 over the weekend. That's 7 degrees above average, 10 degrees above average this weekend in Gallup. Out in Silver City, about 5 degrees above average. In the Albuquerque, Santa Fe, and Las Cruces metro areas, we're going to be about 6 to 7 degrees above average. And out to the east, well, as we push some of that air down along the east slopes here, we'll continue to warm it up. So you guys across eastern New Mexico will see a pretty good temperature swing and a pretty nice warm up. Now, the only thing that's going to kind of back things off around places like Raton versus what we had today is a little cold front's going to nudge its way in, but you're still going to be 12 degrees above average, 11 degrees above average in Tucumcari, and in Roswell, about 10 degrees above average. No major storms on the way for now, so things will be relatively quiet, but don't be surprised if we get some gusty mountaintop winds into early tomorrow morning here. And the overall setup looks interesting because through the weekend we're going to see plenty of sunshine, but as we get into Wednesday and Thursday of next week, that's where all our focus is going to shift. We have two different models that are looking at this storm, or at least the two we're going to focus on right now. One takes the storm, kind of dives it a little far to the south here. Not a huge impact by Wednesday and Thursday across New Mexico. Just a few showers here and there and cooler temperatures. Another model, which we like a lot better, mainly because it gives us a better storm, shows this thing in a couple of different pieces, trying to come together over New Mexico. That would mean more moisture with this particular system and the way it's set up under this model, and a bigger cool down with this track as well, and a better chance at showers. And you know, the long range outlook here still looks very good. For February, we're still projected to be above average precip wise, and as we head into March, same sort of deal. It does still look promising here, and in fact, as we get into April, still looking pretty good. Now, as far as temperatures go, it's a little more of a muddled picture. Some models show us well above average, some show us right about average, so we'll see how that ends up shaking out. But the overall takeaway from this is, although we've done okay for moisture here in the metro area as far as rain goes, we really could use some more big-time mountain snowstorms because we haven't seen a lot of those so far this winter. 30s and 40s across southern Colorado. Mostly sunny skies for tomorrow. We'll wait for that storm Wednesday and Thursday. Same deal across the northwest. Watch out for that freezing fog tonight. It is dangerous on some of the roads across San Juan County. 57 Silver City, 60 in TRC, and 62 out in Glenwood. Plenty of sunshine out to the southeast. Sunshine and warmer conditions. Temperatures for the most part 50s and 60s tomorrow. Out to the northeast, breezy in the morning, and then a lot of sunshine on the way. Meanwhile, northern mountains, well, if you're thinking about going out for a hike, skiing, or boarding, anything like that this weekend, you don't get much better weather than this. If you don't like the cold, this is your weekend. 46 Cedar Crest, 50 in Moriarty, and 49 in Edgewood, and finally right here in the metro area. Mostly sunny skies. Temperatures topping out in the low to mid 50s after a start to the day in the 20s, and we stay pretty mild through Martin Luther King Day, and then we start to see the temperatures come down, and then we see the chance at snow increase. If you want to talk more weather on Twitter, we'd love to have you aboard at KRQE Mark.
All right. Thank you, Mark.